there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. This is part 1 of 4 videos on how to make sopes. Sopes is a Mexican dish my mother-in-law taught me how to make. I hope you enjoy it. This is what's needed to make the dough. 4 cups of Maseca, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, about 4 cups of warm water. It's time to mix the dough by hand. Make them well in the middle of the dry ingredients and add the water little by little. This is the consistency you need, a manageable dough that is not too dry and not too wet. If your dough is too wet, just add a little bit more Maseca to dry it enough to make your dough manageable. Now it's time to make the sope patties and cook them on a hot pan. This step is pretty self-explanatory. It's basically like cooking pancakes, but instead it's sopes. And what you're gonna know it's done, it's cooked on the bottom when the bottom of the sope does not stick to the pan and it's easy to flip. Let your sopes cool for a little bit before you go on to the next step. Once the sope is fully cooked, pinch the sides of it until it forms a little basket. This will help keep all the food inside the sope once it's assembled. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on part 2.